Madame Keenan from the kneeling team, and that's Kelly on camera. You can't see.
Hello.
Hello. So we're at our new listing, and thanks for showing up for our virtual open house at 738 East 29th in Vancouver, at the corner of Fraser and 29th. We're going to talk a little bit about the area and the building, and then we're going to take you inside and show you our beautiful one-bedroom and den. It's a great suite. So the location here, we've got right at the base of the building. We've got no frills shopping, we've got Starbucks, and we've got Shoppers Drug Mart. And so it's right there, right at your doorstep. What more could you ask for? Well, you could ask for this. Queenie Park within probably a 20-minute walk. And the Main Street corridor just before that, so probably a 15-minute walk. So on the Main Street corridor, you've got lots of shopping, restaurants, it's fantastic. And then at Queenie Park, of course, just beyond that, we've got Hillcrest Community Center. So lots to offer within a short walk. So the building was built by Ledingham McAllister, good builder, in 2011. So obviously it's built rain screen, and you can see by virtue of Kelly's quick little pen here that we've got kind of a Whistler-inspired style with really good overhang systems. Hardy plank exterior mixed with a little bit of brick. And so we're really confident that this building is going to withstand the test of time for sure. So we're going to take you inside and show you this wonderful suite. And we're also going to point out that we're on the south side, on the quiet side, facing into some beautiful residential neighborhoods. So we're really excited about that. So without further ado, let's head inside. I'm back. So we thought we'd spend like a couple of seconds just showing you through the lobby. Not that you want to spend a lot of time here, but it is kind of a nice lobby. So we'll just tour through a little bit. You know, you've got a nice little sitting area here, so if you're sitting here waiting for guests to arrive at the front entrance, you can sit here and read your book. Put your feet up. No, don't do that. But you know, one of the things that I think a lot of people appreciate, particularly with a building like this, is that there's not a lot of frills. There's no hot tub to maintain, pool, gymnasium, equipment to maintain and service. So it does help to keep your strata fees in check. So we thought we'd just talk a little bit about that as well. Things like 2 elevators, kind of nice. Parking, comes with a parking stall, comes with a full locker, and comes with bike storage too.
Okay.
Good, here we are again. We're going inside. Don't get too excited. Calm down. Here we are. Unit 417, 738 East 29th in Vancouver. So I'm not going to do much talking because I'm just going to let the video just show you how beautiful this suite is. Perfect layout. No hallways, no wasted space. Bright, open concept, facing south. I mean, look at that view. Just take a look at that view. And as they say, our friends say in Italy, it's a big deck. A big deck. Enjoy your barbecues, your morning coffee. Oh my gosh. What? I can't promise you these strawberries will still be here when you move in, but they do quite well out here. Quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances, Kohler fixtures, electric fireplace. Check out the den. Could be a second bedroom. dining area, eating bar, lots of cupboard space, fan that's vented to the outside, 8-foot ceilings. How are we doing so far? Check out this laundry. Full size. Right? Now there's a closet. Yeah. Nice and bright. Spacious. Walk-in closet. Cheater ensuite. How we doing? Here we are back on the deck. One of my favorite places on this suite. I mean, look at that view. It's fantastic. So again, thank you everybody for coming out to see us here at our new listing, number 417, 738 East 29th in Vancouver. If you want to reach out to us for more information, you can call us at 604-649-4548. Email info@keenanhomes.ca or our website keenanhomes.ca. Be safe everybody. Take care.